Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have some homemade tacos. Yes, I made these tacos today. We just feel like eating something simple today. Something different, because yesterday we had the iguana, and if you didn't see that video, check it out in the description. I will have the link below. And before we get any further and I tell you what's on these amazing tacos, I want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
Hurry up, hurry up.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah.
I'm back.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much, and I hope you liked my outfit of the day. Today we have a variety of tacos. We have the stand tacos, we have the nacho tacos, we have the crunchy tacos, we have the soft bowl, and then we have the tortillas, and we're just gonna get down. And we have chicken in the front, and then we have ground beef on the back, and then we have lettuce, tomato, and cheese, and I have some Taco Bell sauce. What other sauce you have, honey?
You know we got the 2X.
2 times spicy.
Spicy.
Yep.
Work with that.
And then we also have some sour cream.
Yeah.
Gotta have some sour
Then
cream.
we gotta bring her back to Thousand Islands again.
Oh, you gonna eat Thousand Islands on it?
Yeah.
Hey, you put every
Everything
sauce on
you know
it.
I love the sauce on it.
You know you love
All
your
right.
sauce.
You can go on. I'm going to eat here.
Yeah, man, you can eat.
All right.
You
First
can
one,
eat.
crunch on.
Yes, crunch, crunch. Oh, to me, I use the sour cream, right? I got scared. I'm gonna go with, this is the, you can try this one too, honey.
What's on that? Cheese?
This is a nacho cheese taco. What's wrong, mama?
For the bombing?
Vincent's mad at me. I'm trying to get the sour cream in here.
Go, why? Listen, we're on the set. You want to try to come embarrass us in front of the people in front of the TV?
Oh yeah, I'm on the food.
Make sure you bring it back too. You want sour cream?
Yeah, I'll
Wait, man, wait. Make sure you say bring my sour cream too, because
Vincent is acting.
So-
stop chat. We got on the TV. We are filming right now. Come on.
Come out that room.
The nachos is really good. She has it, Vin. They don't have no respect.
Is the guac? Is the guac open?
No,
open?
it's inside the kitchen. You guys were filming a video. Honey, they don't have no respect. Yo!
Sorry, I'm going, man.
I saw them going. I said, like, to them on the place.
Let me pay a bill. I'll put some of that 2X sauce on it.
Oh yeah, how is it? It's good on it, huh?
Lick the spot, man.
Okay.
Try a little bit. Sasha?
No,
Sasha in here. Sasha, you too crazy. You're not getting her.
Don't make no noise, Sasha. Come on, we know you. Yes. Oh, in total we have 21 tacos.
See what you can eat, alright?
Food.
You know it's a long day.
You can yum too. It's the worst thing to make food when you're hungry. Because because when you make food when you're hungry,
Call her, mama.
you want to make everything.
Yeah. A pineapple crush.
I got a water.
Go for some soda today, you know?
Honey, the taco is really good.
It is. You did a good job, as always. You know what I'm saying? I haven't drank soda in a long time, you know? Yep. We got something big today too after we're done in like 3 hours. Some good exercise.
Yeah, we're gonna go working out. Oh shit!
Man. No, she just say no.
The 2 times spicy just hit me. Woo! Tastes good, Dwayne.
Number one.
And you haven't eaten a lot.
So I'm gonna try the chicken one. Chicken bowl. With some of the thousand island. And you know, I love the sauce.
You can put anything you want to put on your tacos.
Just free-handed. This coming like we're really at TACOBELL. You did a good job.
Thank you, baby.
Wow.
I was gonna put some beans on it. Okay, that's too much.
It's a big dinner right there.
Big dinner.
Big dinner.
And my husband had a good idea. Since we have some ground beef left, we had tacos left. The kids ate. As you can see, they're bursting here. We're gonna you can just heat that up and get some white rice, and that's another meal.
Sure is.
I'm gonna try the chicken, but I'm gonna try the soft one.
First lady, I know you're loving the tacos that you made, but you can't forget how to show how it's done. Okay, good so much you don't even know what's going on.
Come on. Yeah, drop it.
I'll show you how it's done, how you did it.
Alright, guys. I'm going to show you how I made these delicious tacos. And again, I'm not a professional, but I cook how we love to cook. So I add things that we like. Okay? Check out the video. We'll be back. Hey family, welcome back to another video. Today we are making tacos. Yes, all kinds of tacos. So I went to the store and I got the taco kits, different kinds, and it's going down today. So these are all the ingredients: lettuce, tomato, cheddar cheese, 3 different taco kits, some ground beef, and I also have some chicken that I'm going to cut up and saute. It's already cooked, but I'm just going to rewarm it, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so I put some onions in the pot. You probably don't need to put onions, but we like onions, so I have onions in here sauteing. And what I've done was I've added some Everglades seasoning, and I've also added some black pepper, and I've mixed it up with my hands. I can add other seasoning as well, but remember the packets already comes with the seasoning right there, so you don't want to over season it. So what I'll do is I'm going to put the seasoning on the meat first, like that, and I'm going to mix it up with my hands. And this is a lot of meat, so I'm going to put 2 of them in there. And each seasoning kit comes with, not seasoning kit, but taco kit comes with its own seasoning. So I have a few different kind of seasonings, hot, mild, so I put them all in there. I'm going to then put it in a pot and let it simmer down, and then I'll taste it and see how it tastes, if it needs more seasoning or less. Alright guys, so here's the ground beef, and you want to just make sure that you are stirring it and that it's not too lumpy. But what I'm going to do is when the ground beef cooks, I'm actually going to blend up some of it, like half of it, so it's, you know, has a little smooth consistency. Yeah, touch it in right. And then this is the chicken that I have, and I actually bought it from the store. It's already cooked, already seasoned, but I'm going to add my own little seasoning to it, and I just chopped it up finely so it can go in the tacos. So we're going to have chicken tacos and beef tacos.
So that's good. It's going down today, huh? First lady, your turn to cook this week.
Yes.
I like that.
Yes. I'm telling you. Okay guys, we're back, and I hope you liked the video of how I made these tacos.
When you get a chance, let me get a 2 hot sauce.
Esto ya move.
2 hot at once.
Let me put some on my chicken.
You know, I love the sauce. You know that. Saucy, stay saucy. That's a lot, First Lady. You start burning my mouth already.
It tastes good though.
It sure does.
And we were hungry. We were always hungry. But I only eat like 1 meal a day, so.
I gotta try that one. Which one you say that again?
This one? Oh, this is a nacho one. You want one, baby love?
No, pack one.
Put it over here. Oh, I'm gonna take this one. That's all the same. I already have mine prepared. Hold on, put it.
Want to make it be a long time, then you have to kind of.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Even to me, it was like, Mommy, you haven't made tacos in a long time.
So I make a chalupa. Yeah, man. Yes, family, it's a long time since I eat one of these. No?
But I feel like making it today.
Mm-hmm. Easy. Nice.
Easy breezy. Mm-hmm. A quick Saturday dinner.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry.
Mm. I don't want to cook tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
You don't care.
Okay.
As long as it's food.
As long as something to eat. Not my bad.
Honey, when you eat this nacho cheese taco, yo!
But
2 times. Oh!
there's 2 times I see the gut, man. Have you a way? Oh, wow.
Good. Oh. Oh.
It really tastes like a nacho.
Sorry, a piece of fat.
Mm?
Ooh.
Hot?
Mm-hmm. Yo.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Tell you not put so much.
Oh, God.
Oh, good too.
Mm-hmm. There's a nice flavor to it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try just the...
This one.
This is called a crunchy taco.
I don't know what they call it, no. I'm say eat them, no. Mm-hmm. Got your water? Mm-hmm. No, boy, this is anything hot.
Mm-hmm. Hot one.
Oh.
I'll tell you later.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the
What?
the Taco Bell hot sauce? They brought it back in here? Oh,
Oh, I haven't tried none down here.
really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, back over here. It's good. Want to try it? Pour it on there?
I'm gonna
This
only
one?
thing, yeah. Chop on this.
Oh.
Only thing with your hot taco jam?
Then
Hurt your jaw, man.
Hurt your jaw. You're going.
Mm.
Oh, I think I gave you too much. That's not so hot, honey.
Mm-hmm. Hurt your jaw. You ever chew too hard? That's it.
You don't really like crunchy stuff.
Cut my gum.
I love crunchy stuff. Stop, Sasha.
Mm-hmm.
Just somebody doing it?
Yeah. You smell the food.
Yeah. I see what Timmy is talking about with these ones.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can't do much.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Mm. Again, family, if you didn't see the video of us eating the iguana, go check it out.
Mm-hmm.
That is an epic video.
Epic. Remember, share, share, share.
Yes.
That one is epic.
Mm-hmm.
And while you're watching, just give us a thumbs up, you know?
Exactly. You know, something I
Just
know
like.
how much tacos medium?
See a moment with you, man.
I think I had one of this, one of that, a soft one.
Let me this off and then ain't tough enough. This one, yeah. Mm-hmm.
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 Mm.
What happened?
How you gum?
I told you. You're gonna be lying when I said you cut your gum. And worse when you're eating up, you know, you bust your gum.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
So good.
Okay, enjoy my food and the bust of gum, you know?
Mm-hmm. Here I go with the mm-hmm again.
Mm-hmm. Our trademark.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
got the idea.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yes. But.
Don't worry.
Mm.
One day at a time, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Taco.
Saturday.
Yup. Listen up. Now look at the next chicken one. First lady.
Yeah, man.
Chicken one, them bashi, man. Chicken one bashi, you're free.
Listen, you gotta buy
Alrighty.
You got bias when it's buy one get one.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I did.
Mm-hmm. You gotta know the come up, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yes. I have to know to come up.
Mm-hmm. Like I mean, a chicken chalupa. What it tastes like?
Yeah. And the chicken is already cooked. All I had to do is just warm it up.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, I added my own seasoning.
Has to. The dough is soft and nice.
Oh yeah. The soft ones, them are good.
Mm-hmm. Don't bite the cup of gum.
We was talking about the iguana food that we had.
Mm-hmm.
The iguana jerk for days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It was really good.
that's a good video.
For a first time food.
And it came out really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very good. As I said, if you never tried it, don't knock it. Just try it. You feel me? Where's your person? That's true.
Yes.
You stop looking at me, man. When I'm food, man. Stop looking at me. You always have to look at me, I eat, you know.
I'm eating.
But you watch me, man. I'm eating peace, you know
Yup.
that?
Yup.
Mm-hmm. Family, she always staring at me. I know, and watching her. See? I pay attention to her because I'm trying to get it. Mm-hmm. Oh, you look at me, man.
You know something knows it.
You know it? And you chat too much.
You have some?
Want some? We'll chat to yes. I'm going to choke, you know? Alright, you say you want some, nobody done it. So you say you want. Mm-hmm. You say you want some and you take a mouthful. Mm-mm.
We are going good.
We are going good, man.
I want you to put some we. He.
I'm trying not to cut my gum.
I would taste on it.
Oh, try some.
I already tried it.
I thought it tastes good. Oh. Does it taste good on it, man? Island popping. Oh, excuse me.
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
One of these bowls.
You interested in the boy yet?
Mm-mm.
I mean, you don't find that boy them already?
How much balls was there?
I don't know. I'm gone about 2 balls already.
This thing was full of tacos in it?
I ain't done them off.
Yeah, right. You.
Are you done them off?
Please.
Mm. Greedy hot lady.
You know cheese on this one, baby love.
Be a cheese one thing, man.
You missed that one, man.
I just don't want it. I'm
I'm gonna do. Where's 2 times spicy? Gone again enough.
Mm-hmm.
2 times spicy messed me up. I'm gone again.
Mm-hmm. Do it for the family.
Do for the.
Mm-hmm.
Listen, these family can't help me.
Mm-hmm. Probably want to see you eat one.
And bun up my mouth.
Mm-hmm. Look how you eat now. Excuse you. Mm-hmm.
I tell you, everybody was watching and waiting for this food to finish.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Mm-hmm.
You full? You get in there?
Yeah, here. I'll try one of them.
You didn't have one yet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Get in there, but the day's still young, you know? We're done.
It's more softer.
Mm-hmm. We're done run this off. Well, I'm gonna come back and dine in again. Because you're not them no more.
You're gonna eat with your
What?
You're gonna eat the meat with the rice.
Mm-hmm. I done it first. These are my first. Mm-hmm.
How much chocolate do you think you can eat by yourself?
No, for God, no.
Well,
Oh, it's at 21. How much you have? How much is? Ooh, that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left out of 21.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna have 3 more.
Whew.
Yo.
I'm full. So that means we're gonna have 14 tacos?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
You're gonna have 10, I mean you're 4.
Okay.
Ah.
So you have 7 left and you're eating that one. I might could eat one more of this. But this is a lot of bread.
Eat one more soft one, Karen.
This is a lot.
You said about I beat it.
Eat it. But this one is really good though.
I like the natural one.
I like the crust. The shell? I like the crust. The shell is really good.
Oh my gosh.
Drop it in my mouth.
Here, family. See the meat inside here?
That does look good.
Looks good, huh? Put it right here. I'll take care of it for you.
You alright?
Food sweet, man.
Hot enough.
You know what?
All right here is burning.
Burn it up?
Yeah. I'm trying to look brave. But screaming, you want to scream.
Because the hot, man. That sauce is really hot for real. Happy, you want to take off your clothes, man? I'm on fire.
Gotta fix it. Ooh, you okay?
Stop on my shoes. It's up at the esophagus. Yeah, man. This is the one when cheese pan.
No, no cheese on it.
Yeah, the natural one.
You can yum that.
You want natural one? You try to marry it? The one that's crunchy. So I'll beat them for later. Yeah, man. I name that one there.
This one?
Yeah, I'm probably won't probably that.
Okay. I'm pass it to you.
On my side.
Depending on your side.
Work, we are work. We're not coming for work and work.
Ooh, guys, my lip.
Oh
my god. Why I did this to myself?
I told you.
Oh, can I sour cream?
Sour cream. Wow.
Ooh.
Sour cream every month.
Yeah.
First lady. These are things stop on my throat, man.
You alright?
Make a little bit of 2 time sauce.
You gonna join the club?
I'm not putting that much. I'm not putting that much, girl. I'm gonna drip, 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 drip. There you go.
That's just as much as I put.
This bowl look like you fucked that bowl and put meat in one.
We're gonna have more meat than all the other ones then.
That one got a lot of meat. Is it right there, so?
Is it out?
No, the pepper.
Ooh. As you say, pepper, my lips start burning me more. It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot in here, huh? You can't
It's getting hot in
You
here.
pick up your water already?
Yeah. My water?
Oh, I would have said throw it on top of this. I would put this.
No, I have water.
Yes, water.
You know what it is?
What?
I'm not feeling the pepper in my mouth. I'm feeling it up here. So I think when I bit on the taco, it's supposed to go to my lip. And then I'm more.
Yeah, my soft one, man. Do it for the team. Do it. Do it.
And then we're done because.
So, I have a question for you.
Sure.
How it felt like to conquer your fear with an iguana?
It felt good. It was scary.
Family, how do you think she felt? Tell me.
But one thing I know for sure, I'm not conquering my fear with no frog or no rat. Those are 2 things. Because you know what? I'm lying. Maybe I'll conquer my fear with the frog. Because we live in Florida. And you hear Sasha? And there's always frogs. And sometimes I don't want to go in the backyard because I'm afraid that they're out there. Sometimes I don't want to go outside at night. And if I do go outside, I'm constantly looking around like this. I can't even enjoy it.
Yeah, family. We live in Florida, so we got the one that crawls on the wall. Those are the ones that you don't like.
Yeah.
I promise you this. If she drive it and a frog in that car, best believe what you gonna do?
I'm jumping out. Guess what? I gotta talk my sister business. No. You know what my sister?
Me tell her stop chat people business. You think I joke? Me tell her stop chat people business. You know.
I have to.
Right.
My sister.
Chat too much money.
She live in Fort Lauderdale. She was driving, and she's driving with her my niece in the back. And all she sees is something green jump on the dashboard. And she's like, what the? When she realized it was a frog, because she's just as afraid of frog as I am.
Mm-hmm.
When she realized it was a frog, she said she doesn't know how she put the car in park, but the car was in park, and next thing she knows, she's across the street.
Run up the car.
Run up the car. And screaming, fanning people down. And this guy said, what's wrong? There's a frog in the car. She's looking at her like, are you serious? I'm telling him. And he got it out for her, so that was good.
That was nice. Oh, you
master.
What about whole night today?
These tacos was fully loaded.
Fully loaded.
Fully loaded.
Fully.
That's why.
Can't complain, man. I wish when you go to TACOBELL, they give you so much meat night. Can I get so much meat, you know?
They stingy with the meat for real.
I love meat, man. That's sauce. What? Oh.
You didn't hear what my father said? Mine, you know.
Bible says you want to chat.
My father's a troublemaker, yeah?
Inside joke, probably.
He's watching.
You watching now? Alright, so I'm gonna eat a natural one.
To hear my baby love.
You know, say food wherever you know, so you can beat 2 more.
No!
Do it for the team, man. And done now 21, man.
Then I'm gonna be too full.
21. We're gonna play that number today.
That's my birthday, 21.
I know that.
I know you know.
Okay. So we're gonna play that number today. Alright. You wanna gotta know your damn birthday. I know your birthday more than you.
Oh, you're so cute.
Sometime. Eat the taco.
No. I'm eating some done.
Eat the taco, enemy. Eat the taco.
Eat the cake. No, listen. I can't, honey. If I eat another one.
Boss.
Boss not run.
Boss not run.
I have to. I'm full.
Alright, so I'm gonna eat this one then we just sort of.
Yeah. You should. I still have mine.
But when I come back from walking.
Yeah. 4 left.
We're gonna yam it off the camera.
So why you can't yam 2 more?
Because right now, I have to keep the shape, is it?
You want me to get fat? In the right places?
I lose it later.
I can't do it,
Alright,
guy.
let me eat this one.
I have mine. I'm still eating.
Don't let me finish it before you know. You let me finish the one I had before you're ready. Come on, girl. Oh my goodness.
I don't know what made me make tacos today. I don't know. I just thought, you know what? I'm making tacos. You know why? I was in the store and it was on sale. And I said, you know what? Buy one, get one. You can't beat that.
Can't beat that, man. I have to get that come up, man. I have to come up right there.
So I bought 4 boxes. No, 6 boxes. 6 boxes of tacos. And we used 4.5.
Stop.
That dog is so greedy.
And then my food out there, too greedy, coming like you want that. So good. It's loaded. Trust me.
Do that one day. Loaded nachos, but it's too much crunchy stuff.
Make sure this camera works, you know. We don't have no problems. No?
Yes. Oh my God.
I said, what the hell they be looking at? And make sure that camera working. Not you.
Excelente. True.
Right.
Oh.
You're full, ma.
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. I'm done now, man.
Eat your food, man. You not rush you.
Go on, good man. What's a 21 4 left, man? Wow. That's crazy. Yum. Oh, God. You know say
We
can
had
eat?
17 tacos.
You know say can yum?
Mm-hmm.
17. 17.
17.
17. So you name 10.
No, I had 5. And you had 12 tacos.
Don't lie to me.
The video don't lie. We can watch it back.
Family.
Richard. All right.
Comment down how much taco I ate and how much she ate. I guarantee she ate more than me.
Nope. Mm-mm.
Okay, we'll see.
Mm-mm.
We'll see.
Mm-mm.
That's what I like.
Oh.
All right.
This guy would sit here. You know, he would sit here and eat the rest of these 4 now. I know you will.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You won't?
Bet me something. All right, I'm going to broke it up. You better think no.
Please. What's yours is mine and what's mine is mine.
Mm-hmm. Make sure you know that too. Mm-hmm.
The meat is nice and
Seasoned, man.
nice and seasoned.
All right, the juice done, so you know what that means.
Done?
You're damn right. I'm finished already. Yeah, water. Are you water?
My water done, my youth.
John, no, sorry.
And when you come in here with a little bit of juice, and you know, say you have 20 tacos in yam.
20, so eat one.
This thing was full of tacos. Look at this.
Do you know?
Wow, I'm just
Remember,
saying.
family, comment down who ate the most. I know she did.
They don't even have to watch the video all the way to know that you ate the most. Alright guys, we are going to end the video. It was good.
Excellent.
If you make tacos at home, just go ahead and tag me on Instagram, 2NV Shanice, so I can see what you've made. Don't be shy. I just want to say, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow for another one. Bye.